It starts here. It all starts here. Infinite surfaces turn to it. Uncountable textures depend on it. Unselfish, humble, consistent. Inseparable from our condition. Our first morning companion, our last associate at close of play. Revenant, creator. And what do we ask of it? On, off, rise, set. A boundless force, far from binary. Limited words talk of limitless potential. These expanses we occupy, these spaces we construct and anoint our homes are built and composed just to contain it. This intangible blueprint that runs through all things. We gather round it, communicate through it. So what stuff is this that warms us to the core? We have bottled the storm and let it rumble, conquered the lightning and cradled its heat in our hands. Awe has turned to control. The infinite possibilities of the world outside exist within our grasp. Your space, your creation, it starts here. Light starts here.